Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. In my last video I have talked about all the information which we have already know about the Apple iPhone 13 series, and it has pretty much everything we know so far. But today there is a new leak that has been pop up, and that is going to be coming from Mac Takara, who is also a popular leaker for the iPhone devices. And according to this new leak, we are going to see a comparison of the iPhone 12 Pro with the iPhone 13 dummy model that reveals some information about the notch and the positioning of all those sensors and cameras which are going to be coming in the next generation of iPhone 13 series. And according to Mac Takara information, that notch on the iPhone 13 Pro is going to be having a 5.35mm in height and 26.8mm in width, as compared to 5.20mm in height and 34.83mm width on the iPhone 12 device. Based on these dimensions, the iPhone 13 Pro will have a slightly taller notch and one that is less wide than the current design. The reason for the changes is repeatedly due to Apple's decision to move the earpiece speakers to the top bezels. Another change could be coming for the front-facing camera, and currently positioned on the right side of the notch, the camera might be moved to the left side of the notch on the iPhone 13 series, and the dimension for the dummy unit might have come from the supply chain sources. The screen size for the iPhone 13 series line should be made to those of the iPhone 12 lineup, and these are particularly similar screen designs which we have already seen in the iPhone 12 series. We might see the 120Hz of ProMotion rapid refresh rate on the Pro models, which are rumored to have the LPDO screen. This would allow for the variable refresh rate so that content that would benefit from the faster rate wouldn't get it. All four iPhone 13 models will be powered by the 5nm A15 Bionic chipset, and the ultra-wide camera on the model is expected to feature an aperture for f1.8 as compared to f2.4 on the iPhone 12 lineup. Respected analyst Mi Cheng Kao says the Apple has freed up some more internal space inside the iPhone 13, so the largest capacity of the battery can be introduced inside. The combination of 5G and rapid refresh rate compatibilities are sure to increase the demand of the batteries for the iPhone 13 series. Reportedly, Apple will be replacing the magnets used for the MagSafe accessories with slightly stronger ones that might do better job keeping the accessories connected to its handset. Back in February, supply chain rumors called the Apple to offer a 1TB storage option for the iPhone, and that would be the first time that Apple smartphones offered that much of a storage to the users. And we don't want to forget about the possibility that Apple might include an in-display version of the Touch ID, which will happy those who would rather verify their identity using their fingerprints. So once again, we can expect Apple to introduce the iPhone 13 series in the coming September, and most likely the Apple won't have to delay the release of these models like it had to the last year because of the pandemic. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts. What are your opinion regarding this new notch in the comment section below, and thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.